Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the hottest products that everyone is talking about. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just practical, but essential for anyone looking to breathe new life into their devices. We're counting down the best-selling replacement screens on Amazon. In a world where technology drives our every move, a cracked or faulty screen can feel like hitting a brick wall. But fear not, because the solutions we're about to unveil will have your devices shining bright, as good as new. From high-definition displays that make your visuals pop, to precision engineering that ensures a perfect fit, these replacement screens are not just about fixing a problem, they're about restoring perfection. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into our countdown and explore the top products that are making waves in the world of screen replacements. Number 5 on our list is a game changer for your MacBook Pro experience. The 7-puppy replacement screen, a 13.3-inch marvel designed specifically for the MacBook Pro Retina models, A2337 and A2338. We're talking about late 2016, mid 2017, EMC 3071, EMC 3163, and EMC 3164. Now let's dive into why this screen stands out. Space gray, a color that's more than just sleek, it's iconic. This replacement screen doesn't just restore your MacBook to its original glory, it revives it with a touch of elegance that feels like the first day you unboxed it. The size? A perfectly crisp 13.3 inches, boasting a jaw-dropping 2560 x 1600 resolution. Imagine every pixel working overtime to bring you stunning visuals, sharp text, and vibrant colors. It's not just a screen, it's an experience. But this isn't just about looks. Functionality is key. The 7-puppy replacement screen comes with complete light sensing and a fully functional keyboard backlight. So whether you're burning the midnight oil or enjoying a sunlit workspace, your screen adapts, ensuring that you get the best viewing experience possible. And let's not forget about the complete package: LCD, back cover, cable, webcam, and backlight, all bundled together in this upper part assembly. It's not a full laptop, just the top, the heart, the most essential part. And before it ever reaches your hands, every screen, every function undergoes rigorous testing. We test and then we test again. Perfection is non-negotiable. But here's the clincher: a 3-month warranty. If by some rare chance there's a quality issue, we've got you covered. This isn't just a product, it's a promise. One last tip: double check your model and color before you hit that buy button. You want this perfect fit, trust me. And if you've got questions, reach out. We're here to help. The 7-puppy replacement screen, a fusion of performance, precision, and peace of mind. Coming in at number 4, we have a top contender that will transform your MacBook Air into a vision of sleek performance. The 7-puppy replacement screen for the Air, 13 inches M1 2020. Designed with precision, this 13.3-inch screen assembly is a perfect match for model A2337 EMC 3598 and all the variants: MGN 63, MGN 93, MGN D3, MGN 73, MGN A3, and MGN E3. Wrapped in a timeless silver hue, this replacement screen doesn't just blend in, it stands out, bringing that signature MacBook aesthetic back to life. The 2560 x 1600 resolution ensures every image, every line of text, every video is delivered with unmatched clarity and vibrance. It's not just a replacement, it's an upgrade. Now here's where it gets intriguing. This screen recognizes the original camera module's serial number, but if you're replacing the original screen, you might lose the True Tone function. That's right, your True Tone might say goodbye, but don't worry. Everything else? Light sensing, camera, keyboard backlight adjustment, backlight brightness, all of it works flawlessly, ensuring you retain the core functionality you rely on. What you're getting is more than just a screen. It's a complete upper assembly: LCD, back cover, cable, webcam, and backlight, all meticulously engineered to restore your MacBook Air to its full glory. We test every screen, every function, because delivering perfection isn't just a goal, it's a guarantee. And with a 3-month warranty, you're covered for peace of mind, just in case. But before you click buy, double check your model and color. It's a small step to ensure a perfect fit. Questions? We're just a message away, ready to assist. The 7-puppy replacement screen, A perfect blend of performance, elegance, and reliability. Your MacBook Air deserves nothing less. Taking the third spot in our countdown, we have the 7-puppy screen replacement for MacBook Pro, a powerhouse of precision, engineered for the 13.3 inches models from 2018, 2019, and 2020. We're talking about the A1989, A2159, a 2289, and a 2251 models. If your MacBook Pro falls under these EMC numbers, 3214, 3358, 3301, 3456, 3348, this screen was made for you. Wrapped in a sophisticated space gray, this replacement screen doesn't just restore your MacBook's original charm, it redefines it. The 2560 x 1600 Retina display delivers pixel-perfect clarity, vivid colors, and razor-sharp detail. Whether you're editing high-res photos, streaming your favorite shows, or diving into a complex spreadsheet, every moment on this screen is an experience. But remember, this isn't a complete laptop. It's an LCD screen assembly, and installing it is no small feat. It's a job for professionals, because your MacBook deserves the best care. If you're not experienced, don't take the risk. Avoid damage and ensure it's done right. We don't just ship you a screen. We test it, carefully pack it, and ensure it's ready for the spotlight before it ever reaches your hands. Turn off the power before assembly, and you're good to go. And here's the clincher, a 6-month warranty that covers quality issues, because we stand by the integrity of our product. Double-check your model and color to make sure it's the perfect fit. Any questions? We're here, ready to assist. The 7-puppy screen replacement, crafted for those who demand excellence from their MacBook Pro. This is not just a replacement, it's a commitment to quality and performance. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling replacement screens on Amazon? Well, don't let your screen time fade. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your tech shining bright with all our latest updates. At number 2 in our countdown, we have a screen replacement that blends innovation with reliability. The 7-puppy replacement screen for the MacBook Pro M1 and M2 Retina, 13.3 inches of pure visual delight. Designed specifically for model A2338 EMC 3578 and compatible with the MYD83, MYD92, MYD82, and MYDC2 series. This screen is a match made in tech heaven. The allure of space gray, it's not just a color, it's a statement. This replacement screen doesn't merely restore your MacBook Pro to its original luster, it elevates it. With a stunning 2560 x 1600 resolution. Every pixel is meticulously crafted to bring you visuals that are not just sharp but alive, bursting with color and clarity. From spreadsheets to streaming, your content has never looked better. This isn't just any screen, it's an all-in-one package. Light sensing? Check. Keyboard backlight function? Check. It's got everything you need from the LCD to the back cover, cable, webcam, and backlight. Essentially, it's the complete upper assembly, ready to bring your MacBook Pro back to life, and then some. Before we ship, we leave no stone unturned. Each screen undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets our high standards, and that's why we confidently back it with a 6-month warranty. Should anything go wrong, and that's a big if, we've got you covered. But here's a quick tip. Before you make that purchase, double-check your model and color. Precision is key to getting that perfect fit. And if you're unsure or have any questions, we're just a click away, ready to assist. The 7-puppy replacement screen for the MacBook Pro, a fusion of style, performance, and dependability. When you choose this screen, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in an exceptional experience. And now, taking the coveted top spot, number 1 in our countdown of best-selling replacement screens on Amazon, the 7-puppy replacement screen for the Air 13 inches M1 2020. If you're using model A2337 EMC 3598 and variants like MGN 63, MGN 93, MGN D3, MGN 73, MGN A3, or MGN E3, this is the screen that's about to redefine your MacBook Air experience. The sleek space gray finish isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making a statement. This 13.3-inch display offers a stunning 2560 x 1600 resolution, giving you razor-sharp clarity, vibrant colors, and a viewing experience that's nothing short of mesmerizing. Whether you're working, creating, or simply enjoying your favorite content, this screen makes every detail pop. Now here's where it gets interesting. The motherboard of this model recognizes the original camera module's serial number, so replacing the screen means you'll lose the True Tone function. But don't worry, the light sensing, camera, keyboard backlight adjustment, and backlight brightness adjustment all continue to work flawlessly, ensuring you get top-tier performance in all the right places. This isn't just a screen, it's a complete upper assembly. That's the LCD, back cover, cable, webcam, and backlight, all in one package, designed to restore your MacBook Air to its original glory and perhaps even surpass it. We stand by the quality of our product. Every screen is tested, every function checked, because we believe in delivering nothing but the best. And to back that up, we offer a 3-month warranty, giving you peace of mind that we're here for you if anything goes wrong. Before you hit that buy button though, double check your model and color. It's a small step to ensure you get exactly what you need. And if you have any questions, we're here, ready to guide you through every step. The 7-puppy replacement screen for the MacBook Air 13 inches M1, a perfect blend of elegance, functionality, and reliability. This isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling replacement screens on Amazon. If you want to stay in the loop with all the top products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured screens. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.